What's going on, everybody? You know who it is? It's the Smooth One Productions. And what is this? More rigs, follow focus. You know what I'm saying? The unboxing. Okay. What do we have here? This is the package. This is the follow focus ring for when you want to hook it onto a regular lens. That's in one compartment. And in this compartment right here, we have the rod. And we have an Allen key. Okay, in the next compartment, we have the follow focus that came out of the main compartment. And I'm going to show y'all when I attach it all together. That's that. This is another little piece here. I guess you screw that in and you can make your markings with it. That's one of those there. Hold on. And this right here hooks onto your camera so the rod can go in. And then I'm going to show y'all it all assembled. Stay tuned for part 2. This is part 2. It's set up. It's working. See? I got it working. The follow focus, I got it working. I just got to get my stops together. Yeah. Just got to get my stops together. So far, so good. Oh, yeah. Just gotta wait for the matte box. Maybe y'all can see it. But it's working. I just gotta This is the small rig, follow focus. Lift it up. I have my working on 35mm T 1.5 lens. As you can see, it's working. See it? It's working, right? Yep. Yeah.